Hey guys, so we're doing the Just a Glitch swatches now. So this is the last thing I got from Colourpop. I didn't get too much, just 4 things. I've not swatched it, whereas I used the Colourpop Tinkerbell palette. I haven't done with this. The only thing that's putting me off using this palette is I struggle to get the casing open. You'll see now. So I've just got a bad feeling that's going to break, and the components obviously faulty. But anyway, let's go and swatch them and see what it looks like. So we're going to start with Dial Up here. Now I thought that looked like a duochrome when I looked at it in the haul video. Yeah, it's beautiful. I don't know if it's necessarily a duochrome. It's got a purple shift. Or has it? No, I just think it's a normal shimmer. But that's what it looks like. Really, really pretty. So that's Dial Up. The next one is Take a Bite. It's a really sheer lavender shade. Another pretty shade. I can't wait to use this palette. I'm going to bring it out for next week's Shop My Stash. I want to use it before we get to autumn, really. And then we've got, I think it's T9, this one here. And look at the imprint on that. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. But yeah, it's got an imprint on it. And yeah, that one's T9. Oh, right on my alley. On with another swatch of that. See, the thing is with pastels, they don't really show up too well unless you swatch them a few times. And then Chat Room, this one here. This one doesn't feel as pigmented, but it looks it. I think I'll go in again with that shade. And then the last one is called HTML. Which looks like that. So pretty. Now it looks mint green in the pan. I'll show you up close. It looks mint green in the pan, doesn't it? It looks mint green in the pan. But then on the arm, on the hand, it almost looks like a teal. So what do you think of this colour story, guys? It's just really, really pretty. And with me loving pastels at the moment, I just think I'll get so much use out of this. Maybe not until next summer now, but I do want to use it. Like I said, like I've been saying recently, I do want to do my least favourite to favourite Colourpop palettes by the end of the year. I don't think I'll be getting any more anytime soon. I think I'll just use what I've got, and I've been talking to my mum and several other people, and they're saying like, well, if you keep buying everything that you want, how can we get you anything for Christmas? Which is a fair point. So maybe I will try and just stay off these sites that I go on and just order, because I don't really need to order anything. I've got loads that I can be using that will probably last me till well over Christmas. I've got loads of new palettes by Colourpop that we're testing. So yeah, this concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.